Hey guys, what's going on? It's me, Destiny here. Before I start this video out, I want to urge you guys to go ahead and download Poshmark. If you guys don't have a Poshmark account, you need to go ahead and get one. I have been a member of Poshmark for maybe a year and a half. I have a lot of products over there, makeup, fashion, waist wraps. So if you're not familiar with Poshmark, basically it's a downloadable app. I'll have the link in the bottom bar that you can download and you can buy and sell products really easily. Whether it's makeup, clothes, sneakers, any brands can be sold there, any brands can be found there. Nike, Adidas, Michael Kors, whatever you like. And it's a really cool, easy way to make money. That's the real tea. That's the thing that I like about it the most. If you have excess makeup in your house, if you're going through spring cleaning, I know here in California, it feels like it's always spring and summer, so I always feel like I'm getting rid of things, I'm changing things over. I actually have a whole bunch of clothes that I'm going to put up, a whole bunch of things that either don't fit me anymore, or I bought them and I didn't wear them. Maybe I got them from a company and it doesn't fit me. So if you guys want to go ahead and follow me, my name is Destiny Godly over there. I'll have my link in the bottom bar like I said. You guys can go check it out. Seriously, yes, this is a sponsored video by them. All facts. This is a really good app for you to go ahead and you can find little things, clothes, like I said, things for your house, all different types of things, cheap little finds, and then you can make a buck or two, and they make the shipping really easy. If you do decide to sell on there, they have all that built in. All you gotta do is have a printer, honey, print it, tape it to the package, stick it in a box. Okay, I love the site. Anyway guys, like I said, I'll have all information in the bottom bar if you want to check it out. Let's get on to this video. Hey guys, what's going on? It's me, Destiny here. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, then welcome. Make sure you subscribe before you leave. This is today's look. It is a very simple Urban Decay look featuring their Heat palette along with their collaboration palette with Kristen Leanne. If you want to learn how to achieve this look, all you got to do is stay tuned. Alright, so I'm going to go in and start out with their dark neutral all-nighter concealer, and I'm sweeping that under my brow bone all the way down onto my lid. And I really like using colors like this because it's very close to my skin tone and it's not going to make my eyebrows look harsh and floating on my face. I really don't often like that look. Alright, so now I'm just going in with an LA Girl pencil and I'm just cleaning up my brows very lightly. If you guys don't know, I've had my eyebrows microbladed, so I really don't need to go too hard when it comes to filling them in, but I do like to go in with a little bit of black powder after using a waxy pencil and just draw in a few hair strokes. So starting out with the Kristen Leanne palette, I'm going to go in with that color Tahine. It is absolutely beautiful. It is a beautiful transition color. Personally, I'm a really big fan of this palette. When I first looked at it, I was like, okay, it's a little all over the place, but actually there's a lot of great looks you can do. So going on from Tahine, I am going to go into my Naked Heat palette, and the colors that I'm using from there are He Devil, Cayenne, and Fuego. When you see that darker color come into play, that is Ashes, and I'm using that to really just deepen the outer V of my eye look. So here you can see I'm just softly feathering it in and blending it, really making sure to keep this color low but blend it all the way throughout the eye. And when you're doing looks like this, it is really good practice to go in, clean your brush, and just blend everything very softly. So now I'm going in with a little bit of a smaller brush, like I said before, going in with Ashes, and I'm just using that to deepen the crease as much as possible without going in and grabbing too much of black. So now from the Kristen Leanne palette, I'm going in with the color Corona, and this is an absolutely positively gorgeous, like warm, bronzy brown color. It is such a pretty color. I'm just taking that and I'm blending that all over my lid and making sure on the outer third that I blend the outer V darkness a little bit into the eye look so it transitions. So now I am going in with a little bit of black from that Kristen Leanne palette, and I'm just using that to kind of give my eye a little bit of an upturned look so I can have kind of like a cat eye effect. So now with an angled brush, I'm taking a little bit of Stay Gold, and this is also from the Kristen Leanne palette, and I'm just using that to adorn the inner third of my eye, helping it to have a little bit of dimension and also blending it out. So as you guys know, I did not like the Stay Sharp or the Extra Sharp liners from Urban Decay, so I did go in with a black gel liner because it was matte to do my cat eye. So now I'm going in with a little bit of Dermalogica Clear Start Matte Moisturizer, as well with the Naked Skin Beauty Bronzing Balm that has like optical blurring kind of deal, and I'm using that as my primer. So right now I'm going in with color number 12 from their All Nighter Foundation collection, and I'm blending that on with a gem blender. This is a silicone latex free non-absorbent blender. They're actually currently on sale for a full set, free shipping. I'll have more information in the bottom bar, but I absolutely love using these because, like I said, they don't absorb any of your products, so you can use less. And it just blends out really good. And as you can see, the foundation is a pretty good match for my skin. I am going to go in with a little bit more of their medium dark warm concealer, their All Nighter, and I'm also using that on a gem blender, and just blending that out, tapping it out and blending it. It's going to be creaseless, it's going to be smooth, and you're going to get the most from your product because the tool is not absorbing any of it. And I really love how it applies concealer like a dream. So now I'm going in with their extra deep All Nighter concealer, and I'm using my gem blender again to just blend that up my cheekbones and a little bit down my jaw to slim my face out. And I really love the way these All Nighter concealers blend out. They have a finish to them. They work really well. I'm honestly going to be doing a review soon, so you guys have to be on the lookout for that. So now I'm going in with a concealer that's a step up from the color that I used in the center, and I'm just adding a tiny bit more highlight. This is a nice way to highlight your face without using any shimmer. Say for instance you have breakouts or large pores such as I'm having right now, you don't have to use a shimmery highlight. You can actually use natural skin tone highlights to really give your face that sculpted appearance. So now I'm going in with a little bit of Tahine from the Kristen Leanne palette, and I'm using that as my base color for my smoke out. I'm going to mix that combined with a little bit of Fuego and also a little bit of Ashes to give it a deep brownness without being too dark, because I'm going to put a black eyeliner on my waterline. And when you have a base of darkness and then everything blends out to softer colors and softer blend out, it just looks really pretty. And that pencil is actually Fishnet from Makeup Forever. So I will have all information in the bottom bar. So now I'm going in with a smudger brush, and I'm just blending down a little bit of that black. So it goes from black to brown to kind of like a rusty dark orange color. And I think it looks really pretty all blended like that. So now I'm gonna go in with a little bit of Stay Gold, and I'm just putting that in my tear duct area and blending it out for a little pop of interest. And I just think it really makes your eyes look wide and pretty and very, very alluring. And that is, I can't remember the name of this mascara, but I will have the information in the bottom bar. Now going in with some Graftobian powder, I'm just setting my face. Sometimes when I'm using this Urban Decay foundation, I forget because it just has such a beautiful set. It's really, really pretty. Blending everything away from my baking. And then what I like to do sometimes, if everything needs to be blended a little bit more, I'll go in with a clean brush with a little bit of powder on it, and I'll just go in the areas that I see maybe a line of demarcation or an area that needs to be blended a little bit better. So now I'm going in with the Stay Gold palette. This is also a collaboration piece with Urban Decay and Kristen Leanne. And I'm just taking all three colors and blending it all over my cheekbones, my nose, my cupid bow, my forehead, my arms, my chest, my legs, my knees, everywhere. I really, really like this highlighter palette. The colors are semi-basic, but very beautiful. So the lip liner that I'm going in with is Hex, and it is an Urban Decay lip liner, and I love their lip liners, how creamy they are and amazing. And I'm just taking that all over my whole lip. The color that I'm using on top is Scorched, and it's a really pretty kind of rusty brown orangey color. Well, it's like a rust. It's like a rust, almost like a deep copper. Little brown, little orange, little gold. It's metallic. I haven't used a metallic lipstick in a while, but it's really pretty. And then I'm gonna go back in with a little bit of a deeper lip liner. I can't remember, I think that one is still Hex. If it's not Hex, it's Alkaline, because those are my two favorite lip liners from Urban Decay. And this is pretty much the end of the look, but I do a few little variations so you guys can see how to kind of switch it up a little bit, going in with some eyeliner and just really making sure that the inner of my eye has some line. I think it looks really pretty, especially when you have a pop color. It really gives your eyes detail and definition. I'm just fixing the concealer underneath my eyebrows a little bit and adding a little bit of a brighter concealer just so it has that little bit of lift, that little bit of shine. So the second color that I'm going in and adding to my lips is called Fuel, and it's a really pretty nude. It's like a cream consistency, and I really, really think it took this look to a whole other level, okay? A little bit of D-Slick to keep me unslick. And this lip liner right here is from Black Up, and it's a really, really dark brown. It has like an MS, I think it's MS06 is the number. I will have information in the bottom bar for you, but I am having keyboard difficulties, so bear with me. I will try to put all the information that I can. And this is one of the Urban Decay liners. Again, I'll have that name in the bottom bar for you or on the screen. That's pretty much it for the look, you guys. I hope you liked it. Oh my god, I almost forgot. I went into the Kristen Leanne palette and I added a little blue in my tear duct. Those colors are called Low, and then Leo and Brixton. I used the Leo part, and I thought it came out really, really pretty. All right, guys, so I'm gonna get out here. As always, I want to thank you so much for commenting, rating, and subscribing. I'll be in touch, and hopefully you'll do the same. Bye, guys.